We will train your maintenance team to master automation controls troubleshooting in just 90 days. We successfully hacked the troubleshooting training process. But before we let you in on the secret, let me tell you about Cowboy, a maintenance tech who was more likely to cause a machine explosion than to fix it. That was before he discovered our training program. And now, Cowboy isn't just fixing machines, he's optimizing his operation as a lead maintenance tech. How about James? A seasoned electrician, confident in his skills. He knew wiring, he knew circuits, and he knew troubleshooting like the back of his hand. Or so he thought. And now, he's not just an electrician, he's an automation expert with the confidence to tackle any breakdown. Listen, we know what it's like to face a machine fault where no amount of part swapping seems to fix the problem. We know what it's like to measure machine downtime in days when it should be just hours. And the phrase, "how long is this going to take," drives us crazy too. This is why we set out to create the best training program that troubleshooting has ever seen. Our program isn't just a course, it's a catalyst for transformation. From electrical breakdowns to pneumatic malfunctions, troubleshooting can be a time-consuming and frustrating ordeal. The sad reality is, this is the daily grind for countless maintenance teams who grapple with the complexities of automation controls. But what if you could transform your maintenance team into a squad of experts in just 90 days? Imagine the impact on your operation, the reduction in downtime, the boost in productivity, the PMs that actually get done. Imagine if a fault took just hours and not days to resolve. How would that make your team feel? What would your boss say to that? And that's where we come in. We've cracked the code on how to deliver effective and repeatable troubleshooting training. Unlike other courses that overwhelm you with unnecessary details or that don't effectively teach troubleshooting and leave you hanging, unlike courses that require extensive time away from your operations and completely bust your training budget, we created our online fault fixer training course that is designed to empower your team with all of the skills they need to become expert troubleshooters. Our training course works because we built upon an ancient learning philosophy called success scaffolding. Success scaffolding is a lost learning method that systematically breaks down complex topics and progressively builds knowledge and confidence. So, not only were we able to break down the complexities of troubleshooting, but we discovered exactly which topics to cover and in which order to teach them in. If that wasn't enough, we also condensed the entire training program into less than 5 total hours of training content. We know what you're thinking. This is impossible. Well, our students rave about how our program has transformed their maintenance teams. Downtime is disappearing. Machines are being resurrected from the grave. Our students are actually able to read and understand schematics. And yes, even those European prints. But here's the best part. Their bosses trust them, and they know their guys can get the job done. Our program isn't just about theory, it's about practical application. You'll learn to identify common faults, understand schematics, and troubleshoot with confidence. You'll do it at your own pace, on your schedule, and within budget, so that you can dedicate more time and resources to finally getting around to that list of projects that you know needs to get done. And you want to see something super cool? Your team will have the confidence to turn this into this. So if that's all you need to hear and you want to train your maintenance team to master automation controls troubleshooting in just 90 days, click the link below and schedule a call. Now, you may be wondering why we can make such a bold claim with such confidence. And the answer is simple. Not only have we worked with or trained maintenance teams with companies such as, among literally dozens of others, but this is the same exact training process that I used to teach beginner maintenance techs over the phone while I worked as a support and traveling technician. For context, my name is Jordan, and despite a background in the United States Air Force and a business management degree, yep, I'm in management, I found myself on the front lines of industrial automation in the food and beverage industry. And believe it or not, I had zero experience fixing machines prior to this. But that's where my mentor came in, and under his guidance, I not only mastered troubleshooting in no time, I quickly discovered the inefficiencies in the traditional learning process. and that's why I created this program. A streamlined approach that cuts through the fluff and gets your team up to speed fast, no matter the person's background. Since this program's creation, dozens of maintenance technicians have obtained a level of troubleshooting proficiency they never could have dreamed of. So again, let us train your maintenance team to master automation controls troubleshooting in 90 days. Click the link below and schedule a call. We'll talk soon.